Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 3-in-1 smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and heat detector all in one. These are extremely important to have in your home for a lot of various reasons, but this kit does come with everything that you need to install this. It does come with 3 batteries that are special batteries that go in the back of this that will give this a 10-year life, which is nice, the fact that you can set it and forget it with that. And then you lock that in place. You do have a base plate that does lock into this as well. You can mount this on the wall or mount it on the ceiling. And they do provide you with the mounting hardware. You can either screw it directly into the wall with those, or you can have these here, which are anchors that go into the wall to give that a little more secure bite on that. Now the front side of this, I'll go ahead and lock this in place here and show you this here. Go ahead and put this on here. If you're going to put this on the wall, you just simply mount it in and turn it in, and that's going to lock that base plate in place. And then on the front of this, it actually is the 3-in-1. You've got your power, fault, carbon monoxide, and smoke, but it also does detect heat as well. And it is a very audible sound that it does do. I'm going to let you listen to that here. I mean, that's extremely loud. That's going to help wake anybody up that's asleep. If it was going to go off, that's the way to test it. If it actually was going off because of carbon monoxide or heat or whatever, it does display what it is. If it's carbon monoxide, we'll display the parts per million. And if it is heat, it says HEA. And if it is the smoke, of course, it's going to say SMO across the front of there so that you know that it's smoke. But of course, the main objective of these is if you do hear it going off, get out of your house, get safe, get out of wherever you are because the alarm is going off. But it's always a good idea to test those every so often just to make sure that it is good. But seems to be built extremely well. Came in a nice package with instructions. Would be easy to mount and would be good for pretty much any home.